today gawa tayo ng chicken, chicken broccoli with a twist. So we have broccoli, ginger, garlic, onion, star anise, bay leaf, bell pepper, and onion. Yan lang. So sa condiments natin, meron tayong soy sauce, sesame oil, and instead of sugar, brown sugar, we will use honey, and a dash of nor seasoning for umami, and Worcestershire sauce, konti lang rin. Itong mushroom soy sauce, pag wala kayo nyan, yung kayo na-replace with mushroom, or just leave this one out kung hindi ko makakita sa market. Kasi konting ano lang naman, earthy flavor lang yun. And itong barbecue sauce, konti lang. So you have a smoke flavor. So yan yung gagawin nating fusion ngayon. And last but not the least, ito yung thickener natin, corn flour. Gagawin lang natin siya slurry, lagyan natin sa water and corn flour mixture, pang thickening natin mamaya. Ito na yung slurry natin, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoon ng corn flour and water. So it's up to you kung gaano karaming corn flour lalagay nyo, kasi it depends on how thickness you want it to be. Okay? Ang huli lang naman to. Start with onion. Ayan. Is ginger. So once nagisa na, translucent na yung onion natin, garlic, then our star anise and baby. So to release the flavor. So nag-aroma na siya. Let's put our chicken. So I put chicken breast and chicken ribs. I remove also the skin. So that's our chicken breast and chicken ribs, yung final niya. And the rest of the chicken, yung legs, thigh, siguro i-oven ko na lang to for barbecue. So as you can see, nagisa na yan chicken natin. 60% cook na siya. We're gonna add our soy sauce, siguro a tablespoon, and our barbecue sauce, more seasoning, just a bit for everything, honey, Worcestershire, so yan, mix lang natin siya. High fire, then our broccoli, water. Ayan, so water ulit. So medyo pale yung kulay niya and medyo matabang. So we're gonna add soy sauce again, just a bit more. So black pepper ulit, the thyme holder, ganyan lang. Na pinch ng mushroom soy sauce natin. If you don't have mushroom soy sauce, you can leave this one. For me, just a pinch. Ayan. Our sesame oil, siguro 1 teaspoon lang for nutty flavor. Done. So once it boils, you can put our slurry, corn flour and water mixture. Then simmer it. Slurry, it's up to you how thick you want it to be, how thick your sauce, kung anong trip nyo. Ako gusto ko lightly thick lang siya. Ayan. So meron na tayong lightly thick, kulang pa, konti pa. Natin our onion and bell pepper. So ito yung thickness lang na gusto ko. Medyo slight water ng konti. But if you want more thicker, you can add more slurry para gravy yung dating. Okay, saan kasi ayaw nung mga kilos ko lang, sobrang lapot. So ito okay na to. Lastly, we're going to taste na. So to adjust on salt. So for me, konting salt na lang, good salt. Salt, it depends on you. May iba-iba tayong salt preference, so it's up to you. Always put the salt on last for seasoning. So our chicken broccoli is done. So ito na siya. Lagyan natin sa plate. So this is our whole skin chicken. Ito yung from one chicken. That's all the skin. So we fried this one without anything, just black pepper only lang and no salt. So itong skin, tatappings lang natin ito mga agad. Ayan na, yung chicken broccoli natin. Oh, see? So we didn't waste the skin. So optional yan.